Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. So what is now an amount of boxes and tiles and cardboards and foam will be the main structure, the main building of the keep. And it's a complicated work because I want to adjust the shape of the building. I want to create walls, and then at the end I will finish it with the towers, roofs and stuff. The inside it's playable, at least a couple of levels, and I want to create also an entrance for a dungeon, guys, so it will be very interesting. A lot of work needs to be done, but yeah, I'm quite confident it will be a great stuff. Crack on! As you can see, I started to cover with some details the cardboard. I don't want to show you all the process, guys, because it will be always the same, but basically, as you can see, I have cloned a lot of details from the Fortified Mansion by GW, Games Workshop. This allowed me to keep the scale with the 28mm, terrain. And yeah, I have a proportion for continue all the fortress. So far, so good.
One of the best ways to support this channel is to shop through my Amazon affiliate links. If you click on the link on the description box below, you will find a list of products I love and recommend. By clicking on the link of your country, you can make purchases directly on Amazon, allowing me to obtain from Amazon a small, very small percentage on the sale of the product. Nothing changes for you, but for me is all the support of the world. Take a look.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!